Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred two Kashmiri youth and arrested another one in the Rajouri district. The Indian Army, during massive search operation, martyred two Kashmiri youth and arrested one person in the Keri area of the district. Indian Forces personnel have raided the residence of a jailed activist in the Pulwama district. The forces entered the house of Mohammad Maqbool Wani, a detained activist in the Pampur area of the district. During the raid, the family members were terrorized and several items including imported documents, mobile phones and the digital devices used by the family were confiscated. All parties Hurriyat Conference has condemned the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi for blatant hypocrisy between his international rhetoric and the domestic actions, particularly in the occupied Kashmir and against the minorities in India. In a statement issued in Srinagar, APSC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas said, Modi continues to speak against terrorism on the world stage. Amid numerous twists in the investigation of the Pahalgam incident by the India's National Investigation Agency, 184 hate crimes were reported targeting the Kashmiris and the Muslims in different parts of India between 22nd April to 8th May. A new government report has raised alarm over the rising joblessness among the youth people in occupied Kashmir, where the youth unemployed has soared to 17.4%, for outstripping the national average of 10.2%. Data comes at a time when the debate over the job reservation and the employment policies intensifying across the territory. As many as 1,600 positions of the lecturers and 480 positions of the headmasters in schools are lying in the school education department across occupied Kashmir, something being seen as a deliberate move by the India's Modi-led regime to pave the way for the appointment of the individuals aligned with the Hindutva ideology. The delay in filling up the vacant positions in the schools is taking a toll. In a display of the communal harmony, the Muslim residents in the Lar area of the Ganderbal district helped in performing the last rites of a Kashmiri Pandit man on Monday. The last rite of the deceased were performed with the help of the local Muslims.